beautiful people, and welcome back to HERSTYLEZ TV. I'm back with another video. This video is of a crochet braid hairstyle with Afri Caribbean Paradise Curl. Now, this hair kinds of lays it out for you because you have the nape, the middle, and the top. They separate it like that for you. And my client likes this hair because it kind of gives her like long layers. So first I'm going to start off with the nape hair, and I do that around the lower sides and the very back, which is the nape area. So for all my crochet braid hair, when I do loose hair, I always cut the ends because it makes it easier to separate the hair. Even though this hair was already separated, when I do the front especially, I like to have smaller pieces. And what I do is lay the hair out on this. Actually, this is like a clothes hanger to dry your clothes on. I found this at a Big Lots, and I just thought it was a good idea to put hair on it to make it easier to prep the hair. So I just separate the hair in how I need it and just lay it across, and it actually lets me work faster when it's already taken apart. So this is the braid pattern, and after I braid my client's hair, I always put some iStyles iGrow stimulating growth oil on it, and this just soothes the scalp after braiding, and it's a growth oil, so it helps with growth as well. And so that's what I do, and I'm going to show you in just a minute the braid pattern. So here is the braid pattern, and this is my go-to braid pattern, which is straight back in the front like little cornrows and a circle in the back. And I like this pattern because for the back, it lets the hair lay better, in my opinion. It lays better for me. And my client loves this braid pattern because it's, when they put it in a ponytail, it's more, I guess, natural looking. So here you see I already done the sides and back, and that was that nape part of the hair. And then for the front, I use the top because I go around the sides, the lower sides and the back, and then I do the top afterwards. So yes, and also my clients don't mind helping with separating the hair because, like I said, it makes the process go by a little faster and they can get out of the salon faster. So yes. So anyway, just continue watching. All right, now when I get to the top of the head, especially the very top, and especially where the client is going to wear the part, I put the hair close together with smaller strands. And also my client here likes to wear two parts. She wears a middle part and a side part. So I have to make sure those are filled in so you can't really see the braid. But yes, that's just a tip when you get to the top and the front to put the hair a little closer together. All right. All right, and here is another crochet tip. My client doesn't like her hair very full and big. She likes it kind of light. So what I do, I space it out in the back middle section, but it's still going to be filled in. You're still not going to be able to see her braids. But when the client, or if you're doing your own hair and you don't want it very full, make sure you really separate it in the back portion. Yeah, and also I do windows. If you do crochet braids, you know you always do windows so the hair can fill in. And as you see, that hair is filled in. And I did that all the way to the middle section. And then when I get to the top, I start putting the hair closer together at the last those two top rows at the top. And it'll all be filled in. All right. All right, guys, so we're coming to the end of the video. My client, she likes to keep her hair kind of long, so she just wanted the ends trimmed, and it's also easier for her to put it in a ponytail when it's longer. Also, when I'm done cutting, I like to go back with some styling foam to kind of tame the hair because she doesn't like her hair very big, so that tames it down for her. And yeah, so that is it, you guys, and you'll see in the next clip what she thought about her hair. And if you made it to the end of this video, go ahead and hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell so you know when I drop a video, which is every Wednesday. Go ahead and thumbs up, comment. Also, if you would like to order the iGrow Stimulating Growth Oil, the website is in the description bar below. And all right, you guys, I will see you on the next one.
Perfect. All right. So you never let me down. That's what I know. Every dog got what it is. Yay! Like you were the only side that's consistent every time. Bam, consistency is key. Right.